Hello students, today we are going to take the class 10th physics. So, electrical charges. So as far as history is concerned about this, so before 600 BC in Greek country, there was the one phenomena noticed that when the amber rod was rubbed with the fur of cat, then it acquires some extra property to attract the paper pieces. Also in your daily life you have already read about the fact that when nylon comb is rubbed with the hairs, it acquires property to attract the paper pieces. So seeing this, we are going inside for this because you have already done in your earlier classes. So there was one property acquired by them, and that property was said that when we are rubbing, then they are acquiring the property because of the charge. Okay, so what is the charge? Charge how on rubbing few objects, not all, few objects, they acquire a property like to attract paper pieces, etc. So this property was termed as charging. And objects were said as charge. Objects were said as charged. So first definition of the charge was given by this manner that when and so electrical charge, word we are having the electrical charge. So this electrical charge, what is, suppose you are having electrical charge. So this word electrical charge is coming, it is Greek word electrical charge. This electric word is coming from the Greek word electron. This electron means what? Amber. Actually this property was seen by the Prince of Thales for amber. When he rubbed the amber rod with the fur of cat or wool or silk, then he found that amber rod acquires the property of electric. There is some property that is electric, so after that we are getting the electrical charge. So electrical word is made up of electron, that is Greek word, and it means it is amber. And charge, the name charge was given by Franklin. So this was another scientist. So like that we were. So what can be the earlier definition of the charge? That when two bodies are rubbed with each other, they acquire some different property. That property is due to the charging, and the property acquired was called as electrical charge. Now later on, electrical charge was divided into two parts. Electrical charge was divided into like and unlike charges, and unlike charges. I am not going in detail. Unlike charges, actually those charges who were attracting each other were called as like charges, and those who were not attracting, repelling. So here like that, plus plus, they repel, minus minus, they also repel. So these are called as like charges, and unlike means plus minus and minus plus. So what they do, they attract. So by this phenomena, charges were divided into by checking this property of attraction and repulsion. So they classified electrical charge into two, like charges and unlike charges. Okay. This like and unlike charges were, so better, this is sufficient, you have already known. Now, so in summary, always have that when two bodies are rubbed, they acquire different property, and that is because of the electrical charging or electrical charges. There are two types, like charges and unlike charges. Like charges repel each other, plus plus and minus minus, while the unlike charges attract each other. Now come to the another phenomena. After so many years, actually this phenomena was explained, that this is because of the electrons present in the body. When they are getting rubbed, few electrons are transferred. So explanation of charging was, charging is due to transfer of electrons from one body to one body, anything to another. When electrons are removed from the body, suppose it is a body, when electrons are coming out by rubbing, then that is acquiring positive charge. When electrons are coming in the body, suppose these electrons are coming, so it acquires negative charge. So because of this fact, there was some quantization of the charge. Then they explained that this charge, amount of the charge, amount of the charge due to transfer of electrons is given by Q equal to NE. where where Q is charge, N is integer. Integer means that can be positive. When it is positive, then that is positive charge. When it is negative, then that is negatively charged. And E was told as 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This fact also tells you about the quantization of the charge, like the theory given by the Rutherford in atomic model. He used the word quantization.